Recorded live at the historic Rockmart Theater. Welcome to Stage Door Sessions. Please welcome our first guest, Josh Brown.
Banks of the Jordan on Sunday morning. I've never climbed the highest peaks. I'll let them write the song while I just sing. I can't pretend to be something I'm not. When I'm happy with all I've got an SUV parked underneath a shady tree at Armory. Got my Yamaha 6-string. I'm content with my bluegrass family. I don't have any girls down in San Antonio. Bars made of steel, walls made of stone. I've never hauled my guitar 100 times. I'm not gonna feed you any of these fake lines. I can't pretend to be something I'm not. When I'm happy with all I've got, got an SUV parked underneath a shady tree at Armory. Got my Yamaha 6-string. I'm content with my bluegrass family. Never been where the wild roses grow. Never hung out with Tom Dooley in Shady Grove. I'm not gonna pretend like I saw the light. I'm gonna sit here and pick with my friends tonight. I can't pretend to be something I'm not. When I'm happy with all I've got an SUV parked underneath a shady tree down in Armory. Got my Yamaha 6-string. I'm content with my bluegrass family. Got my Yamaha 6-string. I'm content with my bluegrass family. Thank you. A little rusty. This is my second solo performance since 2015. Picked you up from your daddy's house in my Chevrolet S10. Clay Walker on the radio dial, headed downtown to meet some friends. I cruised down Main Street from the edge of town to Eckerd's drugstore. We loitered in those parking lots till they told us not to come no more. I've always loved you, and I always will. But stay here in the country where the time stands still. Down in Eastham Hill. We graduated high school, found some jobs and we moved away. said we was making mistakes and we moved back home one day. I came home for Christmas, saw you sitting on the edge of the pew. I walked over, I swallowed my pride, said I've always loved you. Well, I've always loved you, and I always will. Let's move back to the country where the time stands still. Back to Eastham Hill, back to Eastham Hill. Now the kids are running around. Downtown's nicer and the stores have changed. We still got those parking lots, in some ways things stayed the same. We still got Main Street, we still got those cemetery views, and our church is still around. I thank God I still got you. Well, I've always loved you, and I always will. We'll stay here in the country where the time stands still. Down in Eastham Hill, down in Eastham Hill, down in Eastham Hill, down in Eastham Hill. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Michael. Good job, boys. You died for me while I was still lost. You paid my ransom on the cross. While I was still sinning, you gave a new beginning. You did it while I was still lost. You left the 99 just to find me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. While I was still running, scared and turning, left them all to find me. Now the stone is rolled away. It's a brand new, shiny, glorious day. The stone is rolled away. It's a brand new day. It's no secret what you did for me. By your blood-stained wounds I've been set free. Now I've been restored. You're my Savior, you're my Lord. It's no secret what you did for me. Now the stone is rolled away. It's a brand new, shiny, glorious day. The stone is rolled away. It's a brand new day. Now the stone is rolled away. It's a brand new, shiny, glorious day. The stone is rolled away. It's a brand new day. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. We'll do an old bluegrass standard called In the Pines, and then we're going to end with a song I wrote called Home. Unrehearsed. In the pines where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold winds blow. In the pines where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold winds blow. Little girl, what have I done? Well, to make you treat me so? Well, you made me cry and you made me moan. Well, you made me leave my home. In the pines where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold winds blow. In the pines where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold winds blow. Well, the longest train I ever saw was 18 coaches long, and the only girl I ever loved was on that train and gone. In the pines where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold winds blow. In the pines where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold winds blow. All right, that's Bryce Hicks, folks. That's Bryce Hicks from Master Tech Heating and Air, folks. That's mymastertech.com, Polk County's preferred Daikin dealer. All right, last one. This is about my beautiful wife. It's called Home.
I thought you wrote it about me.
No, I wrote it about Nikki. I had this miserable corporate job, and I came home, and she had the Judds playing on the little Google Nest in the kitchen. And I said, "Oh, you feel like home, honey." And she said, "That's just so precious." And it made her tear up a little bit. And I was like, I'm onto something here. So, what else can I do? And then I bought this guitar, and she was 41 weeks pregnant, and she was real pissed. So I wrote the song, and she was still real mad, but less mad. True story. It's a true story. You ready? The Judds are playing in the kitchen when I get home. Supper's on the stove, you say it won't be too long. Our little tornado leaving her toys on the floor. It's moments like this what I remember, what I'm thankful for. We've had some hard times, but the good outweighs the bad. We've you in the valley, I never feel sad. After all these years, you still laugh at all my jokes. When we drive down south to visit your folks. Home is where you are, it's where I feel love. Home, after a hard day, I've got more than enough. Home, getting no better than you and me. It's where I believe the good Lord to be. I've never forgotten or alone. Girl, you feel like home. Swing swaying in that warm evening breeze. We talk about our day, just you and me. The Braves are playing in the background on the radio dial. You pour me a cold one in exchange for a smile. Home, it's where you are, it's where I feel love. Home, after a hard day, I've got more than enough. Home, it don't get no better than you and me. It's where I believe the good Lord to be. I've never forgotten or alone. Girl, you feel like home. Girl, you feel like home. Home, it's where you are, it's where I feel love. Home, after a hard day, I've got more than enough. Home, it don't get no better than you and me. It's where I believe the good Lord to be. I've never forgotten or alone. Girl, you feel like home. Judge are playing in the kitchen when I get home. Supper's on the stove, you say it won't be too long. Thank you so much.
Welcome back to Stage Door Sessions at the Rockmart Theater. Please welcome our second guest this evening, Bird Leaves.
falling all around, helping others off the ground, coalescing in the sound, pretending we're unbound. Then I see you once again, in my mind's eye, in my head, holding inside instead, understanding books I never read. Waves been falling all around, helping others off the ground, coalescing in the sound, pretending we're unbound. A reflection that was never there. Then I believe and then I trust, all existing on a speck of dust. Airy loss and all the pain, fiery triumph and all the gain, all the tears that still remain, all water just the same. Water just the same. Water just the same. Water just the same.
Your two-time Rockmart Theater, wherever we are. That was great. Thank you.
Coming from the rain, your makeup's just the same, 'cause you've been crying from the very start. Syllables of joy and pain, you're tugging on a lion's mane, but it will never bite your heart out. Sometimes the storm, it moves slow, whipping waves on shores of gold, This too shall pass, you know. This too shall pass. God whispers in refrain by shining in the hearts of men. Look at what the masters all let in. Sometimes subtle and sometimes plain. Threads and messages just the same. It's not the beginning, but it's a start. Sometimes the earth, it moves fast, testing things that were built to last. Moving all to and fro. It's just another start. You know 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 it's just another start.
Thank you very much. You guys are too kind. Looking back, safely past, it won't last, it never did. Fear of loss, fear of change, fear of love, rearrange, realize, realize.
cardinal knows. We are living, we are living, we are living, we are living right now. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, the cardinal knows. I was watching, now I fly, a red streak across the sky, up above, far behind.
Too kind, Rockmart Theater. Every time.
Shut out the cannon, never heard the sound. Diamond red kites stuck in a tree. Kinda dancing but never free. Yeah. Ooh, it comes and goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Stops, nobody knows. Silly birds that never sleep, call the weak and herd the sheep. Lovers looking before they leave, never to return. Comes and goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Where it stops.
I bet I just knocked myself out. You're too kind, Rockmart Theater. in all seriousness, this is one of the kindest, most intimate, fun experiences that I've had playing music in a long time. And it's, yeah, I would love to see this continue, and I hope everybody gets out and supports it and supports what's going on here, because it's a good thing. That was the charm. You guys are too kind. I think we'll just call it Walking On Down. What do you think? Yeah, I think that one's going to stick for that night. Anyway. Yeah, we're on our last tune. I don't know what to call it. We'll discuss it at the end again.
Precious than gold is a love that we give, not what we can hold. Light as a feather, dance as a cloud. From our heart shine anyway. What makes a believer fall to his knees? Deep in the valley, kissing shadows, just breathe. Master and adept, caught sleeping in the net. But the fish who could fly, you're never gonna die. Understand, it's supply and demand. Might makes right, kicking castles in the sand. Yeah, peace, it's got a price, so they say. But the lights gonna shine anyway. Yeah, the lights gonna shine anyway. Yeah, the lights gonna shine anyway. Shinier than silver, more precious than gold. It's a love that we give, not what we can hold.
You're too kind, Rockmart Theater. Thank you for having us. We've been Bird Leaves. I'm Seth Turner. That's Cameron Cecil over there on the bass. And once again, the amazing Chuck Harris.
Thank you very much.